So data science is the most demanding jobs and most career effect jobs, which is based on United States of America, Canada, Germany, Japan, China, Pakistan, and so on. So today in this session, we discuss about the data science content and about the courses layout, in which you can join on my YouTube channel, as well as you can get a computer learning center certificate. So now we discuss about the data science course. The complete data science bootcamp today discussion about the computer learning center issues a computer learning certificate. Okay, so now we discuss about the data science training session. Okay, so data scientists, which contain the most demanding jobs that you will be able to do the market competitive salary data science bootcamp ठीक है जी. So now discussing about the data science related task, data science related uh, effective parts and so on. So which could be related and which could be not related. Which programming skills you required, computer science degree required, which learning skills would you have, and which have what kind of experience would you have, and we discuss about everything in today's session. Okay, so now we move on. Data science bootcamp. Okay, okay. So first we have a complete data science training. Computer learning center offer complete data science training. Okay, in which will you able to do remote job in Pakistan by learning these tasks. Okay, so now we discuss about what could be done. It is able to complete data science training include math, okay, statistics, okay, Python, advanced statistics, and advanced statistics in Python, machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so these are the parts. Okay, so what could we are offering? We are offering this top companies. We are offering the content of the data science related to that, related to their tasks, related to their fields, in which includes the course content. This content 31 hours on demand video, 137 coding exercises, 93 articles, 541 downloadable resources, access on mobile and TV, full lifetime access, closed options, certificate of completion. Okay, which includes coding exercises, in which we doing the coding exercises which are related to that's related to the data science business application. Okay, so which are the practical examples you will learn in this course? What does the course cover? Okay, which kinds of data the course will be covered? The course is covering the data science course, complete data science. A practical example what you will learn in this course. What does the course? Data science business, data science business analytics, data analysis, machine vision, computer vision, descriptive statistics, null versus alternative hypothesis, for loops, simple linear regression with sklearn, simple linear regression, heat maps. These are the basic introductory part. Okay. Next, we move on the data science business buzzword. What could be it include? Which include on statistical analysis, which include on business decision, business intelligence, machine vision, Web3, Web of Science, data scraping, web scraping. Okay, Amazon data analytics, Google data analytics, Yahoo data analytics, your YouTube data analytics. Okay, so Python is basically most probably the programming language which could be able to do best exercises, best computer related tasks in which you can run the real world examples. Okay, so chat GPT is not enough. We can practically do the job by deploying real life examples, real world examples in which we able to do the business analytics, business support intelligence, business decisions, and corporate sectors, education sectors, and different retail agencies. So far, various retail business are doing data science related parts, okay, in which includes daily wages, daily tasks such as business retail application, online business application, okay, which includes the various types of business decisions. So data scientist is able to extract the data which are related to the business. Okay. So data mining. The next would see to the data mining part. Data mining is also a part of data science job. Okay. Data mining is able to the we will do this example on Power BI, Matplotlib, and R programming, Tableau. Tableau is very good software. R programming is very good software. And as MATLAB, we also discussed the MATLAB. And next on the computer vision. Computer vision is related to the deep learning related application. Okay. So next to the move on to the other aspects, we can done various kinds of programming application, okay, which supports data scientists to do a job in a well meaningful way. At the end of this course, you will be able to the what course this course is 100 days completion. You get a computer learning center certification. You get a computer learning center certificate from my institute, computer learning certificate by doing the $200 fee. It's a $200 fee. I thought it's a minimal cost. You just $200 is a monthly fee. $200 to the PKR in Pakistan rupees. It is just a 55,715 rupees per month. Okay, you just complete package is $400. It's 1,11,431. 2 month fees 1 lakh is $400. So okay, since you get the 2 month training, it includes $400 fee. Okay, and you will be able to get a computer learning certificate. Hope you enjoy this video. Hit the bell icon, like and subscribe my channel. And if you able to do to join my data science boot camp, then you please WhatsApp me on the particular number. These are the number. You can WhatsApp me as well as you can email me to join the data science boot camp. Okay. This is live session training in which includes the various parts of Power BI, R programming, Tableau, MATLAB, computer vision, deep learning, machine vision, and real world examples we can do. Okay, in which we learn math, statistics, advanced Python, advanced statistics, advanced machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, transfer learning, Web3, web science, data scraping, web scraping. So far, we can do also real world coding example by covering the GitHub exercises, by covering the Kaggle exercises, by covering the UCI machine learning repository, and so on. So hit the bell icon, like and subscribe my channel, which also offer various kinds of offers, various